Rowan is definitely using the hay to her advantage on this freezing morning. You got a lovely fluffy bed that you can eat. Well, that's silly, but also genius. And Nutmeg and Jasmine's here. We're all waiting for the brekkie. Hey, Mama. Hazel, you look so pretty. Look at you, you're so beautiful. I mean, the ice is ridiculous. Look at this. I'll come out a bit. This is just a strand of their hair. Looks like teddy hair. And yeah, it's grown a lot of icicles, which is bizarre. Look at the chicken coop. Ridiculous. I am so ready for some nice sunny weather. Right, chooks? Have to let them out so they can get out of the ice den. But yeah, it's bizarre when this happens, especially when it's spring. We're not fans of that, are we? No, because as pretty as it is, we would really rather sunshine and blue skies. Our arena is completely frozen. Not frozen enough to ice skate on it again, but it's definitely bizarre. Ice storms are always very weird. This late in the year, you expect them more earlier, but little tufts of grass are just frozen in time. Extremely strange. But I'll get everyone their nice warm brekkie, and then we'll get on with our icy day.